Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus open, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So to soft reset this device, we have to press two buttons at the same time. So the power button, which is located right here, and the volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons just like that. And as you can see, we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we, I don't know, cannot touch on it or something like that. Just press both buttons together all the time. We've got the black screen, which is a really good sign, but keep pressing. I felt the vibration. I can see the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully soft reset this device, and in a second it should be it should turn on the system completely and work perfectly fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.